Once again, the bottom of the pipe is approximately 4 o'clock on the screen. A little bit of scaling in this pipe here. You see a small offset on this joint here at 50 feet. You see this water falling into the downstream line. You have a combi here at 53 feet, possibly picking up the bathroom on the south side of the house. And not a lot of fall in this line. You can see the water just kind of trickling through. We're going underwater here at this point, losing our picture. Let's see if we can't push out of this. See, we do have some tree roots through this section. So you can see here at approximately 74 feet, we do have quite a bit of tree root growth in this line. This is still in the cast iron. Quite a bit of root growth through this section. This section could back up at any time. Again, from about 70 feet up to where we push out of it, which should be right around 75 feet. So a good 5-foot section full of roots. You can see massive root growth through this section also, down the side of the pipe, which would be at 12 o'clock on the screen. And this will be making our transition from the cast iron to the clay. This is generally leaving the slab. On our first joint with the clay, you can see some minor root growth coming through at approximately 8 o'clock on the screen. Bottom of the pipe will be approximately 4 o'clock on the screen. Once again, this next joint here also some minor root growth. Once again, a little more root growth. We're still going to call that minor root growth here at 89 feet. If you can see down the line here, you can see the obstruction and root growth growing through this next joint, which would be about 95 feet out. We just pulled back to see a little picture here. We're going to kind of go underwater as we come through this section. Let's see if we can pull back through that. There's, see quite a bit. This is what we call excessive root growth in this joint here at 95 feet. Just not going to get a good picture because of the obstruction from the roots in the line. You're going to get a lot of this water backing up and dirty water. You see here at 99 feet we have massive root intrusion, root growth in this line. It's a big chunk of root right there in front of us. All through this section, massive root growth. It's all growing through that joint right there. Completely root bound through this section. And here at about 104 feet, we're unable to push through this next root ball section. So that'll conclude this inspection. Massive root growth throughout many areas of this pipe. Recommend hydrojetting and recammering line after we've stripped the roots clear. That'll conclude this inspection.